You may wish to have a go at this yourself. I'm going to show you the solution in this video. Write 25 times 5 to the 4 as a single power of 5. The rule floating into position here is one we've seen earlier in the playlist, so I won't go over that again. Needless to say, however, I'll be using this rule of indices in order to answer this question. So if you're not quite sure what it is, you may wish to have a look at the previous videos in this playlist. So let's write out the question. It's 25 times 5 to the power 4. Now we know 5 times 5 is equal to 25, and we can write that as 5 to the power 2. So here I can replace 25 by 5 to the 2. I then can carry on and multiply this by the 5 to the 4, and this will equal the base of 5, and you'll see I'm adding the indices here, the 2 and the 4. You can see that these two numbers share the base of 5. That's why I could write 5 here. We then can turn our attention to the indices of both of the numbers, the 2 and the 4, and that's why here I've placed 2 and the 4 and we're adding them. We add the indices here when you're multiplying here, and all of this is based upon this rule above. So we can go on to say this is 5 to the 6. And it's 5 to the 6 because we added this 2 to the 4 here. Therefore, we can say that 25 times 5 to the 4 is equal to 5 to the power 6.